Hello students, today I am going to teach you Apollonius theorem. Now what is Apollonius theorem? In a triangle ABC, AD is a diagonal. Therefore, the sum of the squares of AB and AC is equal to twice the square of median plus half the square of third side, that is BC square, and we need to prove it. Okay, let us prove it. For this we need to construct something, and what is that? Look over here. I am going to draw a perpendicular from vertex A on the side BC of triangle ABC, and I am naming it as AE. Look over here. AE is a perpendicular. Okay, so I am going to write over here construction, draw AE perpendicular to BC. Okay, next we have to prove it now. Let us go for the proof. Okay, now see there, we'll look in this triangle. Now we are going to use Pythagoras theorem at least 2 to 3 times over here for this. Okay, in triangle ABE, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. This is by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Similarly, in triangle ACE, again using Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square equal AE square plus EC square. This is also by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Next, I am going to look in this triangle. In triangle ADE. Okay. Can we write like this? AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now see, what I am going to do, I am going to write like this: AE square equal to AD square minus ED square. Clear? Now I am naming all these equations as this as number 1 equation, this as number 2 equation, okay, and this one as number 3. Now, what we have to do now? Next, we are going to add up these two. You can look over here that on the left hand side we have AB square plus AC square. So I am going to add up equation 1 and 2 over here. Now I am writing over here adding 1 and 2. Okay, add the left hand side first. So we get AB square plus AC square. Now the right hand part, AE square plus AE square means twice AE square, plus we have BE square plus EC square. Okay, now what I am going to do, you can look over here, AE square is equal to AD square minus ED square. So in place of AE square I am going to substitute it. So I am writing over here 2 times AD square minus ED square. Okay, now this BE I can write as BD minus ED. Okay, BD minus ED whole square plus, and this EC I can break it like ED square plus DC square. So I am writing over here that CD plus DE or ED, whatever you want to write, it's correct. Okay, now we'll open up the bracket. So this looks like 2 times AD square minus 2 times ED square. Now what about this? I am going to use identities over here to expand. Okay, let us expand it. This is equal to like BD square plus ED square minus twice BD into ED. Now we will open this, expand it. This is CD square plus ED square plus twice CD into ED. Okay. Now I am going to cancel some part over here. You can look over here. So we have twice AD square minus twice ED square. Now let us count how many ED square we have. ED square plus ED square. So we have twice ED square. We can cancel it. Okay. Now we are left with BD square. It is BD square plus, you can see we have CD square. Okay. Also we have minus twice BD into ED. Okay. And plus we have twice CD into ED. Okay. Now this is twice AD square plus, now can I write in place of BD equal to half of BC? Let us check it over here. See, this is BC and AD is a median. So median divides it into two equal parts. Therefore in place of BD I can write half of BC. So I am writing in place of BD as half of BC and its whole square. Similarly over here for CD. See over here, CD is also half of BC. Okay, so I am writing over here half of BC whole square. Now, this BD, this is, can we write as CD? We can write it. Okay, so I am going to write over here CD, or we can use half of BC because BD is half of BC. So all the places we have used the same thing, so I am going to use that only. So BD is equal to half of BC into ED. This 2 to this gets cancelled. Also, in place of CD, I am going to write half of BC. Okay. See, I am writing over here half of BC into ED. This 2 get cancelled. Now, what are we left with? We have twice AD square. This is equal to 1/4 BC square. This is also equal to 1/4 BC square, and we have over here BC into ED. Okay, plus we have BC into ED. Now we can eliminate these two. Okay, now what we have now? This is twice AD square. This is 1/4 plus 1/4 equal to half BC square. See, we have proved it. We have got twice AD square plus half BC square. This is what we have to prove. So finally we can write therefore AB square plus AC square is equal to twice of AD square plus half of BC square. This is what we have to prove, and this is known as Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now this can be further written as twice AD square, and in place of BC square, if we write twice of BD, then we will get something new. See, look over here. I am writing over here half. In place of BC, I am writing twice BD square. So it looks like twice of AD square plus half times 4 times BD square. Now I can reduce it by 2 table. So we are left with twice of AD square plus twice of BD square, and we can take out 2 common. So we have twice the sum of the square of AD and BD. See, we have got it. Similarly, we can change it over here. Keep this AD as AD square. In place of BD, can I write DC? Yes. I can also write over here BC or CD square, since BD is equal to CD. Okay, this is the main formula. I hope you have understood it. Now, what is the use of this? What is the use of it actually? Look in this figure. Suppose the length of AB is given, length of AC is given, and length of BC is given, and you need to find the length of the median drawn from vertex A to side BC. Then you can apply this formula over here to find the length of the median. Okay? I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you very much.